Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to make Divi Accordion modules fully closable in both Divi 5 and Divi 4. This means users can open and close accordion sections independently, leaving the entire accordion collapsed if they want. We'll cover 3 different methods: using Divi Booster to enable closable toggles for individual or all accordion modules site-wide, and a manual approach using custom jQuery and CSS. For the easiest option, Divi Booster allows you to enable this functionality directly in the module settings with no coding required. Let's dive in. If you want to make specific Divi Accordion modules closable without affecting others on your site, this method is for you. Divi Booster introduces a closable setting directly into the accordion module. This lets you open and close accordion items independently, right from the module's settings. If you've already installed Divi Booster, you're ready to get started. If not, you can find a link to download Divi Booster in the accompanying post. This tool makes it simple to enable closable accordions without needing any custom code. To enable the closable option for a specific accordion module, start by opening the settings for the accordion module in your page or layout. Go to the Design tab and then expand the Toggle section. Here you'll find the Closable option. Simply switch this toggle to On. This will allow users to close individual accordion items without automatically opening another item in its place. The close icon that comes with this feature adopts the styles of the built-in open icon. This means you can customize both the open and close icons using the standard styling options found in the accordion module settings. Simply adjust these settings to match the design of your site. Once you've made the necessary changes in the accordion module, be sure to save them. When you're ready, publish your page so the updates are applied to the live version of your site. This ensures that your visitors will see the new functionality in action. To test the closable accordion feature, view your accordion on the front end of your site. You should now notice that a close icon has been added to any open toggles. By clicking on this icon or the title of an open toggle, you can close that item even if no other toggles are currently open. This ensures your accordion can be left fully collapsed if desired. If you'd like your accordion to start fully closed, this can be a great option for FAQ sections or other expandable content. Divi Booster includes an initial state setting for accordion modules. This lets you select whether the accordion starts in its default state, all closed, or all open. For step-by-step details, check out the full guide linked in the accompanying post. If you'd like to enable closable behavior for all accordion modules across your site, Divi Booster makes it easy with a global setting. This option, called Make Accordions Closable, applies the functionality site-wide, so you don't have to enable it module by module. Each accordion module will still maintain its individual design settings, ensuring your site stays cohesive. This method is especially handy if you're using accordions frequently for things like FAQs, product details, or documentation. To enable the Make Accordions Closable option using Divi Booster, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Divi, then Divi Booster, and find the Modules section. Under Modules, select Accordion. Here, simply enable the Make Accordions Closable option. Once this feature is activated, open toggles in your accordion modules will display a close icon. This allows users to collapse any open accordion item without automatically opening another one. After enabling the necessary option in Divi Booster, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save Changes button located at the top of the Divi Booster settings page to ensure your updates are applied. Now that you've enabled the site-wide closable accordion option, it's time to test it. Visit one of your accordion modules on the front end of your site. Open a toggle and then click the title or the close icon again. You should see that the toggle closes even if no other accordion items are opened. This confirms that the functionality is working as expected. You can globally style the close icon to ensure a consistent look across all accordion modules on your site. By default, the close icon adopts the styling of Divi's built-in open icon. For individual modules, you can adjust this using the Accordion module's design settings. To style the close icon site-wide, you can use custom CSS. For example, you might set the icon to appear gray normally and change to blue on hover. The necessary CSS code and additional guidance on adding CSS in Divi can be found in the accompanying post. This allows you to customize the close icon to align with your site's design. If you'd like all your accordions to start fully closed, this can be especially useful for FAQ sections or similar content. Divi Booster includes a global option called Make Accordions Start Fully Closed by Default, which applies this setting to all accordions on your site. For detailed steps on enabling this, refer to the full guide linked in the accompanying post. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can still make Divi Accordion items closeable by adding custom jQuery and CSS. This approach is great for specific, one-off customizations. However, keep in mind that it depends on Divi's front-end code and animation classes, which could change with future updates. This means you may need to revisit and adjust the code over time to ensure it continues working correctly. To add custom jQuery and CSS for making your Divi Accordion items closeable, start by navigating to Divi, Theme Options in your WordPress dashboard. Once there, go to the Integration tab. In the section labeled Add Code to the head of your blog, paste the provided script and style. This code enables users to open and close accordion items with a click across your entire site. If you want this functionality on just one page, you can instead place this code in a code module on that specific page. However, if you're looking for a simpler no-code solution, consider using the Divi Booster methods mentioned earlier, which apply this functionality directly through settings. For those who prefer a manual approach, refer to the accompanying post for the exact code to paste and further instructions. After pasting in the code within the theme options, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save Changes button at the top of the page to apply the new settings. This ensures your updates are live and ready to go. To add an accordion module, start by using the Divi Builder to place the module in your chosen row. You can style the accordion normally. There's no need to adjust any additional settings for the closable functionality to work, as the code you've added already does the job. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your changes, and you're good to go. To test your closable accordion, head to the front end of your site and interact with one of your accordion items. Click on any item's title to open or close it. With the custom code in place, your visitors can now close any sections they're done reading, giving them more control over the content visibility. If your accordion content is particularly long, visitors might have to scroll all the way back to the top of a toggle to close it. To make things more user-friendly, you can add a second close icon at the bottom of each open toggle. This allows users to close the toggle from wherever they are within the content. This requires adding some additional jQuery and CSS code to your site, in addition to the main code already discussed. For the exact code and implementation details, you can find everything you need in the accompanying post. This optional feature enhances usability, especially for lengthy content sections. Once you've set up closable accordion items, you might want to explore additional customization options. For example, you could configure the accordion to start with all items closed, or even add a button that opens and closes every toggle at once. If you're interested in these features, check out the links provided in the accompanying post for detailed guides. Making Divi Accordion items closable provides a better user experience by giving visitors more control over what content stays open on the page. This is especially helpful for FAQs, product details, or sections with long information. For the easiest solution, you can use Divi Booster to enable closable accordions directly from the module settings, or apply the functionality across your entire site through the Divi Booster settings page. Alternatively, for those who prefer a custom approach, you can use the jQuery and CSS method, But keep in mind, this may need updates if Divi changes its structure in the future.